guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I miss you guys like so much. Like, it's actually crazy how much like I missed you. Like, it's like crazy. Like, oh my god. Like. Okay, so today's not gonna be anything special really. It's just me. Surprise. So I wanted to do like something blue with like purple and like green and like, I don't know, like those type of colors today. I don't know why. I just like saw the sky and I was like, oh my god, like the sky is so pretty. Like, it's like so cute. So like, let me do the sky in my eyes. Like, wow. So that's what I'm doing today. Like, by the way, if you hear my fan in the background, it's like really fucking hot here. So like, I don't want to die. No, really, like, honestly, like, I'm so sorry if you hear my fan because it's like so fucking hot here, and I don't wanna, like, I don't wanna be deceased, bitch. So I'm sorry, okay? You better deal with it because my AC sucks and it's not working out for me, and I don't wanna die. This is me dying. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna prime my eyes and we'll see each other like in a second. Now that my eyes are primed, by the way, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I live by this shit. It's amazing. You should get it if you want an eye primer. At first, I didn't believe in eye primers really. Like I used to use concealer, but now it's just different. It's different. Okay. I'm gonna start by grabbing the color Blue Monday that's on the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics with a Makeup Shack T73 brush, and I'm gonna pack that on my crease. I'm gonna pack that on the crease right here. Doesn't matter if it's like messy because who cares. Now that we have that there and it looks disgusting, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna grab the color Soaked from the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star as well. I think I'm only gonna use these two palettes for this look. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna grab that color with the Morphe M514, adding a little bit more blue to this look. Okay, now that we're looking like a fucking pitufo. I really don't know how to say pitufo like in English. Oh, like a smurf? Smurf, that's it. Smurf. I fixed the lighting a little bit. I hope it like changed something. I don't know, this is not my problem right now. It's really not my problem. I mean, it is my problem, but like I really don't know how to fix it, so it's not my problem. Why am I talking like this? I really don't know. Now from the same Jawbreaker palette, I'm gonna grab the color Brain Freeze and Gumdrop, and I'm gonna mix them together and apply it on top of this with a Makeup Shack T33 brush. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pack again the other colors that I used, meaning like the dark blues, and like blend everything again so I don't lose that shade. It's like the best thing ever. And if you're lazy to do this, I am so sorry, but it's not gonna turn out good. Okay, cute. Oh, very cute. Very cute. Cute. Yeah, cute. They were golden, baby, we were golden. By the way, I'm obsessed with TikTok now. If you don't have TikTok, you should download it. It's like fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the crease, and lately I've been cutting the crease with a Q-tip and micellar water. It's like literally the best method ever because it doesn't like gunk up the product when you're applying like your concealer or your primer again. So it's amazing. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. now that our crease is cut, I'm gonna apply primer on that area where we removed everything with a flat brush, a Morphe M224. I'm just gonna do that real quick. Our crease is caught and looking really good. You see how that method works? I'm telling you, bitch, I got all the tricks. Now I like really want to put like green on it, but I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm like scared. I think it can be something. So if it's not, I'm just gonna do something about it. So I'm just gonna grab the Morphe M124 with the color Sour from the Jawbreaker palette again, and I'm just gonna pack it in where we put the primer. Okay, that's not that bad. It's like candy, like I don't know, it's not that disgusting. I feel like something's missing, like a lot is missing, so I don't know what to add. I don't know if I should like add yellow to it to make it pop. I'm gonna try real quick. Cutting yellow to make it like more like neon green, which I mean I don't hate. I'm using the color Wow from the Jawbreaker palette, like that yellow. Later probably we're gonna have to add something to the inner corner so it like really pops, but right now I'm gonna grab a little bit of the blue and blend these two colors together. For now, I'm gonna stop doing the eyes for a second, and I'm gonna do my base and my brows, and we'll be right back to finish the eyes. So let's go do that. Right now we have our brows done and our face, and my brows are looking a little bit crazy. I need to like plug them a little bit, so I'm so sorry if they look bad. So let's just finish up the eyes, shall we? I'm gonna grab a Morphe M431 and I'm gonna apply the blues underneath the lash line on the same order that I did before. That way I can blend them really nicely. So now I'm gonna experiment with the purple on the inner corner. I'm gonna use the color Gumdrop with a Makeup Shack T 73 brush. I'm using this brush, it's more fluffy, so I can like apply it kind of lightly. Okay, so it's like pretty whatever. To be completely honest, it's nothing crazy. I feel like the eye definitely needs shimmer, at least on the inner corner, because it's looking pretty flat. On top of that, I'm gonna grab the color Liberation from the Morphe 25L palette. It's kind of like an iridescent shade, so I think it would look cute. Just gonna add a little something something. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think I really like that. Since it has like a blue shift to it, it like really complements the look. It's not showing up on camera as I want it to show, but what can we do? This is life. It is what it is. For lashes, I'm gonna try a new brand of lashes that I've never tried before, and that's Tati lashes. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. These styles the TL4. I bought these at BeautyCon. I have more, but I'm gonna try these first. They're so fluffy and they were so cheap, like actually crazy cheap. So I'm just gonna trim them real quick. Oh my god. Oh wow, they come with glue. Tate. Oh my god, crazy. Look how beautiful these are. I am so excited to use these. These are so fluffy and woo, I'm excited. So I'm just gonna trim them and apply them. I'll see you in a bit. Oh my god, look at these lashes. Excuse me? These are so pretty I cannot wait to try the other ones. So excited. Now let's go ahead and do our face. First, I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna use the Kiko Milano Couture Sienna bronzer. I live for this bronzer, if you haven't noticed. It's just like perfect for me. It's not orange and it's not gray. And I'm really pale, so this is perfect. Like, it looks so good. Love it. Now I'm gonna contour my face and my nose using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the color Fawn, aka this one right here. And I just love this color as well. For blush, we're gonna use Luminoso by Milani, like always. This blush just looks good with everything. For highlight, let's try out using the color that we use on our inner corners. I'm scared, so let's just try it out, okay? I'm gonna try it out because it's low-key glitter. So like, I don't know how that will look. Let's see. I mean, it's cute. It's not bad. What if we use a little bit of Lucky Clover by Anastasia Beverly Hills? This is a green highlight, basically. You could add. Oh, okay. Yeah. I enjoy that. I'm gonna continue to apply that. For the lips, I'm probably gonna do something like really fucking basic. I'm gonna line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K lip liner. This is like my favorite lip liner. It's like perfect for me. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this again. I literally did the same lip combo on my last video, but I like really enjoy this lip gloss. It's by Lime Crime. It's a wet cherry collection. It's called Cherry Disco. It's literally like a holographic fucking gloss. I really doubt you guys can see it, but it's holographic and it's so cute. So I'm just gonna, oh my god, I'm just gonna apply that. Okay, so we're done with this look. I know it's like pretty basic. Like, I'm so sorry. I didn't really have anything in mind, so like I just wanted to use these type of colors, and this is what I came up with. Like, I'm so sorry if it's not what you were expecting, but I got to use my new lashes, which I love. They're so cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss my beautiful face. So yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye, baby.